Hey guys, got a 2022 plate Kia Niro here. Just going to show you how to turn on and off the automatic rear wiper on this one. On this one, we're going to use the buttons on the right hand side of the steering wheel, and then we're going to look at the screen in front of the steering wheel. From here, we're going to press the menu button and then keep pressing until you get to settings. Then scroll down until you can get to convenience and pressing OK. Then scroll down until you get to auto rear wiper. So this is when it's raining and you put it in reverse, instead of having to manually keep pressing the wiper when you try and see, it will wipe the rear screen automatically for you when you put it in reverse. If you want to put it on, you can press OK, have that ticked, that box, or if you want it off, have it unticked.